So, this is part 2 now. So we're here. Hey? Yeah, let's go this way then, shall we? That didn't go on though. Not put that on yet, so we can go back through here again if you want. Yeah. Oh, you can go that way. Well, is that way? You've got to watch your legs though, don't you? You might want to. If you want to pause it, look Grant. If you want to pause it, you just click on that. Hit again, and that pauses it. But you were clicking on that, and I was stopping it. Yeah, you don't do that.
No, that's to change camera.
No, it isn't. No, to change. No,
it changes the position of the camera.
No, listen. If you
Then
check
it stops it.
that is to change the camera.
Yeah, you wanted to change it, didn't you?
No, listen. That, the other one, that will totally shut down and come off. What are you doing? We just put. Can you put these seeds in your pocket as well, if you don't mind? So, thank you. Then I'll dry them when I go home. Oh. Right. There we are.
Safe to have a pee out.
Hey? Yeah, I won't record you. It's going to go down here while you're peeing. Ew. But that wasn't human poo then, I just nearly stood it. It's going to have a look down here. Okay, we're not looking.
What are the chances of that? Sorry.
Well, you got to go, you got to go. You got to go, you just can't help it.
Sorry. You weren't videoing, was you? No.
No, God, no.
Sorry. Wow. There's a police officer when you need
There you go, as you say. You think you're safe and the police officer comes along. Oh, that's funny. That was funny. Yeah, you just...
Put that on my camera.
That's alright. Well, that was interesting. We got that on camera.
Why would a police officer be walking around here?
Don't know. Maybe catching down people peeing in the woods. But at least you weren't in public, so probably would have been done more for being in public. Ugh. For doing that.
You could have found me though if you wanted.
Well, no, he was having a good day, I think. He's probably had sex with his wife, so he's had a good day.
Rang gets a £60 fine for coming out on a walk.
For having a pee in the woods. You're in the papers, front page. That'd be interesting, wouldn't it? Can we go this way? There's something. I saw it down here before. I'm just really curious. 1 second. If I wanted to do that, I can't do that.
Is that recorded?
No, I paused it. Right, let's have a look. See where it goes.
Unreal, that, isn't it?
I know. Did you feel embarrassed?
Yeah.
Did you?
Anyway, I could have gone for a pee.
Eh?
I could have gone for a pee anyway.
I know.
I've just
What a chance, eh? You okay? Right. Oh, let's have a look here. In the fields of Bali. Look at this.
I'm not walking all the way down there.
Hang on.
Sure, this is what we see.
Look at that. I was going to have a pee. 1 sec.
Police off.
Right, so we're going to go back again now. Do you want to go in front or? Okay. Be careful because it's slippery down there, Grant. I'm just going to put my feet to the side so I don't slip. Oh, God. Hey, where there, Grant? Careful. I've not stung myself yet. I wouldn't go down here on my own. Not as a female. Not even as a male, you don't know, do you? Who are you going to pass? Apart from a policeman. I've never heard you apologise so much, Grant, when you saw that copper.
I didn't want to go.
Eh? No, well...
You'd be lucky to get a fine now, wouldn't you?
Well, if you'd done it anywhere else, you probably would have done. I don't think he expected to see a man pee neither in the woods. Hey?
It is nature, isn't it?
Hmm?
It is in the nature.
Oh, this is gonna be a really nice video, this is, Grant.
Yeah, it's got to be uploaded to mine, and you take it off my YouTube.
Yeah.
You can, if you sign into my account, I think
We go down there?
You can download it,
Let's have a nosy.
can't
Oh,
you?
can you get down there?
I think so.
You sure?
If you go on my account, you can download it, can't you? On mine.
Can you get down there? Are you okay? Oh, careful. With the
Nah,
Grant.
this is too unsafe.
It's because you just put your foot in there.
This is
Are you
safe.
sure?
It's,
Come on then. Let's go back this way then. Watch all these.
breaking your leg.
Hang on. Right. Do you want to go in front? Are you okay? Do you want to come up here? No, it's too much thing again, isn't there?
It's finding the way down.
I know where to go. I've just seen these off roads, that's all, off little paths. Let's have a nose up here. See what's down here. Ooh. Oh, it's quite easy to get up here, Grant. You come in. Don't leave me. I can see you walking away. Don't leave me. Don't worry, I'll get raped or whatever, or murdered. You just walk away. We go that way? This is all ground. Ground, we go this way. That's going into field, isn't it? Hey? Put your socks up. So we've come out, but we'll do a third video now. We'll just come out now of there.
The exit.
Yeah, the exit. And now this is the third